The Armor 21 versus the Armor 20 WT. What are the differences and similarities between these two rugged phones in terms of specs? In this video, we're going to find out. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. As you can see, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers, guys. So if you want to support the channel, just subscribe. It's absolutely free. So without further ado, let's quickly dig into it. So these are the specs of the Armor 21 and the Armor 20 side by side. So based on the specs, as you can see, the Armor 21 has been slightly upgraded over its predecessor, but the Armor 20 WT is still a feature-packed rugged phone. It still packs impressive specs, guys. I mean, both devices are powered by the same processor, the Helio G99. The Armor 20 WT has a much more bigger RAM, 12 GB, and it also has a much more bigger battery, 10,850 mAh. It also supports walkie-talkie. So these specs makes the Armor 20 WT a much more better device than the Armor 21, in my opinion. Some of the specs of the Armor 21 as well is better than that of the Armor 20 WT, some of which includes its display, which is a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. Its Android operating system is Android 13, which is a much more modern and the latest version of Android. The Armor 20 WT runs on the Android 12 operating system, and also the rear cameras of the Armor 21 are better than that of the Armor 20 WT. The cameras consist of a 64MP primary sensor followed by a 24MP night vision camera. The Armor 20 WT features a single 50MP camera at the rear. The Armor 21 also features a 122 decibels super loud speaker, a feature that the Armor 20 WT lacks. But overall, both devices are packed with impressive specs, in my opinion. And of course, both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K, which means they are both resistant to water, dust, and high pressure water. They can actually survive being submerged in water with a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So both devices, in my opinion, are packed with impressive specs, and this is just a specs comparison video. It's not enough to conclude that one device is better than the other, but both devices are great, in my opinion. I'd like to hear your thoughts about both devices, so feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.